Red Rocket time. Just got back from OG Racing in Sterling, Virginia. I'll show you what I picked up. Well, I have to open the boxes, but picked up a Sparco GT-100 seat, sliders, and that is the rail system to go in here. The stock seats got some holes. This has been repaired with a t-shirt. This is bare metal here, so I'm tired of sitting in there and hitting that, so we're gonna go with this stuff. But let's get this out first. Front of the seat, 2 bolts. Sometimes there's pieces of plastic on them. That was cool for the previous owner. Razor blade on the seat. Fun. So now I'm gonna slide the seat forward. Then there are 2 bolts, one there, one under all that plastic. One-handed. There we go. Headrest. Put that over there. Flip this upside down. So here. Should fit pretty easy. You can tell by my face, pain in the dick. The sliders didn't really work, so we just fixed it. Fixed position. Got to put the headrest in and try it out. Pain in the butt. And it feels awesome. I don't think I'm lying to myself and saying my positioning is great, but since it's in a fixed position, but I think my positioning is great. So about to take a rip to go see Rip. Just leaving Petco, obviously. See if I can show you that. Boom. Rip finished all his fundamental classes. I'm lazy, I didn't take them. The lady friend took them. She controls the hell out of them when we're on walks and stuff, so it's kind of awesome. So, back to the CRX, test ride home. Let's see. It ain't too bad getting in. Not much worse than the back seat. I dig it. I kind of like that they don't match. I think that's kind of neat. But I'm trying to hit a dude up on Facebook Marketplace for a set of Sparco wheels. So I think it'd be cool to have Sparco steering wheels, Sparco seats, Sparco wheels. We'll see if that pulls through. Thanks for watching. See ya. Have a good one.